Hello, today I will show you how to reset settings in your Motorola One. First, let's unlock the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now swipe up again and select Settings. Here, swipe up once again and select System. Here, select Advanced, and here you have Reset options. Select it. Here you can reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth options or app preferences. Select this option and select Reset Settings. All network settings will be lost. Select Reset Settings once again to perform this operation. And if you want to reset app preferences, just select this and select Reset Apps. And just like that, all of our preferences has been deleted. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.